Greetings, fellow detectives, and welcome to Boiler Room Detective. The case of the counterfeit thermostat. When I was a fourth-year apprentice for a control company and allowed to go on service calls alone, I was dispatched to the office from hell. It was aptly named that by the older technicians who previously visited the place. It earned its nickname from the demeanor of the miserable people who worked there. Anyone in the industry knows about thermostat wars, which is when people in the office fight over the temperature setting of a thermostat. But these employees took it over the top. One person likes it cool and sets the thermostat for 60 degrees. Another likes it warm and sets it for 80. The battle goes on all day long. One person will place a bag of ice cubes on top of the thermostat to get the space warmer, while another would direct a powerful light at the thermostat to cool the room. No matter what was done to deter the employees from touching the thermostat, they figured out how to circumvent it. Locking thermostat covers were installed and failed. The resourceful employees would pry the cover off and manually adjust the temperatures. It was a never-ending battle for the building owner and us, the service company. Finally, the owner removed the lock and cover and let them have access to the pneumatic thermostat. After checking the controls in the mechanical room, I tentatively walked to the office area. The vicious employees started on me as soon as I arrived. "That thermostat doesn't work," one woman yelled, and her coworker whispered, "I think she broke it." This led to a verbal altercation between the women. Another told me, "My brother-in-law works on furnaces, and he said if that thing blows cold air, there's something wrong with it. They should get someone in here that knows what they're doing." Gritting my teeth, I opened the cover from the pneumatic thermostat. Inside the cover was a folded piece of paper. I opened the note and smiled. The note said, "This thermostat is a dummy one. The real control is on the return air. If you tell the employees this secret, you will be cursed for all eternity." Smiling, I went through the motions of calibrating the pneumatic thermostat. I moved the temperature dial up and down so the occupants could hear the air hissing from the thermostat. I announced, "Think I have it now." I checked the real control in the return air and confirmed it worked correctly. If you would like to contact me, my contact information is here. In addition, I have two websites. BrewingWithSteam.com has my monthly blog posts on steam systems for breweries, and Fire Ice Heat is my company website. I have written 11 books on boilers, and they are available on Amazon. In addition, you can find some of my writings in these fine publications. Thanks